Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to change clock 12 to 24 hour format in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this at this time now you can see that in my case is a 1:11 a.m. So how to change 12 to 24 hours format. So let's start. First of all, going to your settings of your Windows. After doing this step, select a time and language. After that, select a second option, language and region. Click on a regional format, change formats. After doing this step, now select the short time and long time. Select the third option is 940. Select the long time is back it and close. Now you can see that at this time selected a 112. Now it's a set a 24 hours time format. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.